Hey, it's Jeff Kaufman, Silver Sport Transmissions. Got the 73 Challenger up on the lift. This has the Tremec TKX installed. Not sure if I can get you some good shots of this. I just want to see show you what it takes to get this in the factory position here. So this is our E-body build for the Tremec TKX. You can see how the shifter goes up through the top of the shifter hump. This duplicates the factory shifter position in the floor. Also, factory 4-speed console works perfect. This is our cross member, parking brake cable bracket. Most importantly, everybody's been asking what kind of modifications are required to put a TKX in an E-body. And this car had the shifter hump installed, 4-speed shifter hump. So we got the hump in here. You do have to put the 4-speed shifter hump in there if you're converting from automatic. But there were no additional tunnel mods required. You do have plenty of clearance up here. The driveline angle on this on the rear is 2.6 down. So we have good driveline angles. And we have plenty of tunnel clearance. The transmission is not running into the floor anywhere. So this car did not require any additional modifications other than putting the 4-speed shifter hump in, which is the same modification that's required even if you're going to do an 833 4-speed.